I just finished thoroughly cleaning my car because I'm selling it and I want to make sure that it's as nice as possible for the next person that owns it. And of course, because I want to make sure that I'm able to get the highest offer possible when I resell this to a dealership. So to finish things off, I'm going to be using this new car smell air freshener by the Chemical Guys. This will be my first time ever using this spray, but after just shaking the bottle, it already literally smells like a new car, which is incredible. And I'm probably going to keep using it in my next car for myself to stop myself from buying another new car. Now, in case you couldn't tell by the dark green liquid that's in the bottle, this solution and its scent is really strong. So to use it, I'm just going to be very lightly misting it, maybe applying 1 or 2 squirts underneath my seats and not applying it directly to my seats or the steering wheel or anything like that. And then I'm going to turn my car on and blast the AC on full to circulate the air a little bit, and then decide from there if it smells like a new car enough or if I need to apply more. All right, here we go. Okay, starting from the back, we're just going to apply it like this. Same thing on the other side. Get the passenger side, and finally a little on the driver's side. Here we go. Ooh, starting to smell it already. Yo guys, this is incredible. This literally smells like a new car. I am very confident that after using this, I'm going to be able to get the best offer for my car possible. So if you're looking for an air freshener for your car that will literally make it smell like new, whether you're using it to resell one of your cars or if you just want to have that new car smell with you, pick up the new car smell by the Chemical Guys for yourself today and you're going to be set.